So I invite you into a time of affirmative prayer, and if you're comfortable doing so, just close your eyes and become still for a moment and allow my words to be your words. My healing is right here. It is in the air that I breathe, the surroundings I see. It fills this space and it lives within my heart. It is in the light of day and in the darkness of night. It's in the clouds and in the sunshine. It is in the cells and atoms of my body temple. It is in the movement of my mind and in the activity all around me. My healing is at hand. It's nearer than breathing, closer than hands and feet. It's all present, ever available, abundant, and plentiful. It's here right now, wherever I am. It is mine to quietly accept, to bring me peace, assurance, and blessings beyond measure. Its source is divine, and that source never runs dry, never is lacking, never withholds, never denies. It is the same yesterday, today, tomorrow, and forever. It is within me every moment. I praise and give thanks for this reality, and so it is. Amen.